How to delete LinkedIn account in mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn mobile app from your Play Store, from your phone or from your Android as well as on iPhone. Now open the LinkedIn mobile app in your Android or iPhone. We are going to know that how to delete LinkedIn account. Firstly, you have to open the LinkedIn app. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now we are going to move to the me icon. Now view to the profile here. Come back and you can see in your profile there is an option of setting at the bottom. Click on setting and different options will appear here. You can see at the top there is account preferences. Just click on account preferences, scroll this bar, and at the last you can see close account. Click on close account. Just click on continue. In this way you will blocked or you will delete your account on LinkedIn mobile app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.